Yeah. I need you to look in the camera, and I need you to explain what's all-inclusive mean. Can you do that? All right, go for it. Yeah. It means all the cookies, all the milk, all the anything you want is completely free. And that's the joy of having the self-publishing mastermind, Cancun Mastermind in Cancun at an all-inclusive resort. Everything's covered. Your food, it's all you can eat. There's like 4 or 5 different a la carte restaurants. So restaurants, you sit down, you can order food. You can order food. He's just tripped. He's good. You can order food and you don't have to pay. There's a massive buffet overlooking the ocean. This is absolutely incredible. I'll see if I can get some photos. And you know, that buffet is just, it's massive, massive. All you can eat, right? All you can drink for those of you who like to party it up, right? All you can drink, the pool bar, all taken care of. You know, I even remember we got the family concierge service, so we get a butler, 2 butlers. And last year, D1, he wanted Heineken, and the hotel doesn't have Heineken to the general public, but they have Heineken for the VIPs. And so I had my butler bring D1 a 6-pack of Heineken to the pool just because my boy wanted some Heinekens. And so we can do that. We can, what else can we do? So it's everything's taken care of, and that's the beauty of it, right? That's one of the reasons I wanted this event at this type of location. So you can come and you can just eat as much as you want. You drink as much as you want. You know, the desserts are off the hook for those of you who got a sweet tooth. It's just absolutely incredible. Everything is taken care of for you. And you know, what better place to have a business conference, a business event where you can learn, connect with other entrepreneurs, connect with the biggest and most influential people in the space, period, end of sentence, full stop. That's that. And you know, it's just gonna be, it's gonna be nothing but a good time. Nothing but a good time. I can guarantee you that. Hey, those are poisonous. Don't play with those, bro. Okay. Yeah. Little bro. And hey, Raph, come, look at the video. Come on. We're talking about Cancun. You excited about Cancun? You excited about Cancun? Yeah, see, he's excited about Cancun. I'm excited about having you at Cancun. 40 publishers. We're going to have 40 publishers there. This is actually the biggest, most successful publishing event on planet Earth. It is. Did you hear that? It is. He even knows that this ain't shit. Right? And I'm just so excited to meet all of you there. We just had another Platinum player sign up. So that means there are only 2 Platinum player spots left. So you got to get those while you can, ASAP, before those are taken away. That's the extra day. Your hotel's covered. Airport transportation covered. Everything covered for you. You just literally just get your flight. But that is going to be off the hook. I cannot wait. But we're like 20 odd days. Bro, we're like 20 odd days away. I know, from the beach. And meeting everybody again. You were just a little baby last time. Right? And it's just going to be absolutely insane. So I'm so excited that you guys are going to be coming there. And yeah, anything you want to add?
Yeah.
Add it. Okay. Is Elmo going to be there? No, Elmo ain't coming. Elmo ain't coming. No Elmo. But Paw Patrol will show up. I'll see you guys in Cancun.
No, Raph, our flight's not yet. No, come back here. We're not leaving yet. No, it's a couple more days away, bro. Yeah, no, a couple more days. Okay, come on. Back inside to safety. Okay, couple more days. I know you're excited about the best publishing event in the history of the world, but a couple more days, and then we get to go.